So I got Jamaican jerk chicken and the soup of the day, which I don't know what it is, but ooh, yummy. So one of the places I like to eat in Liverpool is this place called Caribbean Food. Food is really good. I would pay twice the price for the quality of food I'm getting. It's legit. The chef is Jamaican as well. If you want to know where this place is, it's found in 1C Picton Road in Liverpool. That's L15 4LD for those who wants to come and see this place. Now let me show you what the food looks like. It's more like a stew than a soup. Good stuff. The meat is always juicy. She always cooks it perfect, man. So I just left this place. Really good stuff. It's called the Hot Road Cafe, Angie's Jamaican Cuisine. So it looks like that. I thoroughly enjoyed that. The chicken was juicy. Rice and beans was on point. What I like about Caribbean food, you know, they give you more than enough. So you always leave satisfied. The food is good, the portion is big. Couldn't get any better than that. Yeah guys, just check it out. Check it out for yourself. Taste and see. Angie, the chef, she's really nice, really friendly. Yeah, sometimes she gives me a discount. So I can't complain. Happy tummy. Now I need to go home, get ready for work.